Brad Williams, Excel Prime. This is pretty much a review. We're going to use the match and find the last cell with data and row number. Okay. Well, we know using match, we're going to get the row number. As we did in the previous tutorial section, not the last, but we used the match in this configuration where 2 is going to always find the last match. 1 divided by B5. Well, you know, if we throw in the less than and greater than symbol, it's going to be not blank. So we're saying find the last non-blank row. Keep in mind, older versions of Excel are going to require you to enter Control-Shift-Enter. Last relative position in B5, B13 is equal to 7. Why is that important? That's the last row number. 11 is not the last row number. 7 is the last row number. Hit F9. And this is set up that I intentionally block these out so 7 will always be the final outcome. I'm going to try to make a few of these simple to follow. We can just look at this and we're going to go our lookup value, our lookup array, and our match type. What is match? We're going to look up a row. What's different here is that we're including the 2. We threw in a 2 in the match function. You're going, you can do that? Yes, we can. We're going to say follow the exact same format as we have in previous tutorials. Not with match, but with lookup, we did this, I don't know, 5, 6 times. Well, you can now see that it's also doable inside match. Match is going to follow the same rules as lookup in that if it can't find the number, 1 divided by B5 to B13 will never equal 2. So match is going to find the last row. That's just the workings within Excel. You're not going to be able to override that using this technique. What's our lookup value? 2. Our lookup array, F9, is 1, div, 1, div, div. And you know 1 divided by 1 is going to give us 1. And we're just looking for this last number. We're going to ignore the div errors. No additional information required. We're not asking for a match type because the default is going to be an exact match. That's it. The point of this is throw in that 2. It's a simple solution to finding the last cell with data and row number. If you need it, read it. Otherwise, put lookup in here and see what happens. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.